Welcome to the flowerschool.com video resource library. I'm Leanne Kessler, director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I want to share with you a beautiful autumn floral ring, perfect for any late season event. The materials, a combination of fresh and dried, so it'll be very long lasting. The base, a stretchable, expandable ring base that's perfect for any size. You can just pull it apart, and that way you can wear it on whichever finger you want, and it will fit any person. For maximum success, to make sure it doesn't fall apart, before you begin, put a bit of glue right on the base. That way as you work, you'll be doing glue to glue, which holds so much better. To cover the base ring, a bit of Oregonia broken down, and some preserved dyed ferns. So you get those little tips of brown, just so beautiful. Go ahead and put glue on the base of each stem and then set it aside. You want it to start to dry. It will stick so much better if it's begun to harden off. And you can tell by the little bubbles. If you've taken basic floral design, you know what to watch for, and it gives you a clue that then it's ready to go. But if you go too fast, it just slips and slides, and it doesn't really adhere well. So taking this time up front with glue on all your bits, then let that set and go back with the pieces you did first and adhere them, going glue to glue, because you already did glue on the base, and now going back and adding glue on the stems and placing it. If you need it to dry a little faster, you can blow on it. And then just apply a tiny bit of pressure and let it dry. Wait just a bit before adding flowers. For flowers, starting with small berries of hypericum, putting glue on and setting it aside so it starts to dry, letting it set. A single crispidia, a billy ball, that vibrant yellow. And a single chrysanthemum, perfect for the autumn season. Blowing to get it to set. And then placing it in, adding a little pressure to hold it in place. The berries tucked underneath. The single crispidia, and then again applying pressure, making sure that it sets. But by letting it wait, having pre-glued, it sets fairly rapidly. So then you just need to apply a little bit of pressure, continue filling until you have everything in place. As a final detail, adding some delicate flowing materials, tiny little bunny tails dried, cutting them down. Some sea oats grasses also will dry and be just grand, giving a little bit of movement, cutting it, and going back, glue, and rest. After it's set, you can go back and tuck it in, determine where it would extend the best, giving that little bit of color, that little bit of movement, just feeding it down in between, coming out to the side. Repeating. And then double checking to see where else you might want another leaf or two and just add it in. Wearing flowers is back on trend, and it truly makes you feel special, but not necessarily a corsage. And the flower crown is maybe sometimes a little too much. But a ring is always appropriate. You'll find more creative inspiration and more direction on flowers to wear at our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Make a ring for yourself. Make one for your friends. Make several to sell. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.